In this video, I'll be giving you a brief tour of the B2B features built into LiveArea's FastTrack Commerce B2B Accelerator. FastTrack Commerce comes standard with essential features that we here at LiveArea have found are critical for almost every B2B project. And while some of these features are included in things like the standard SAP Commerce Accelerator, our experience is that they're not exactly what our customers end up needing. So in FastTrack, we've done the rest of the work to refine them and pull them across the finish line so we can save time and money on those projects. So here, I'll begin by signing into a customer's account on the site. Her name is Linda Wolf, and she has the admin role for her company here. What Linda sees when she logs in is the familiar e-commerce experience. But because of her role, Linda has an entire additional menu called My Company. This is where she can go to manage all the B2B specific aspects of her company's account. We'll click into the business unit for Linda's company. And I want to pause here briefly to actually call out two things that we removed from the standard out-of-the-box SAP Commerce Accelerator. Those are budgets and cost centers. In our projects, more than 90% of the time, our clients don't actually want those features, and we spend time and money removing them. So in FastTrack, we've done that work once, up front, as a starting point for all our projects. So as we look at Linda's company page here, the first enhancement we see is in the shipping addresses. In FastTrack, users with the buyer role are limited to ship-to accounts defined for their company by admins like Linda. We've built FastTrack with built-in integration to Experian QAS, so any address Linda adds here is also validated automatically for anyone to use. Moving on, let's talk about roles. As the account admin, Linda can create and delete accounts for her employees, assign them to roles such as buyer and approver, and also assign them permissions and approval thresholds. For instance, if we look at the customer or buyer account for Mark Rivers, who you may have seen in our other videos, we see that he's subject to a limit of $7,000 per order. Anything above that requires approval, and anything below that is automatically processed. Linda has also assigned Mark to a user group called Standard Permissions that may include other limits that would apply to all members of that group. Finally, let's look at Linda's view on her company's account with Hearthstone Restaurant Supply. In the account summary page, we see the status and history of all orders Linda's company has placed with Hearthstone Restaurant Supply. On this demo site, this is all example data, but on a real project, FastTrack comes with all the plumbing to reduce the time and effort of integrating with any ERP system. This concludes this tour of just some of the built-in B2B features of FastTrack. You can try everything out for yourself on this very same Hearthstone site by going to fasttrack.liveareacx.com, and you can also see our other videos to learn about other features like punch-out, headless or market-specific storefronts, and integration with SAP Marketing.